Okay, so well, Barcelona faced Granada FC recently, and it was a very intense match. What happened there was very intense. Like, uh, basically, Granada played very smart. They were very cheeky, and in recent times, Barcelona for some reason haven't done that well against Granada. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, but yeah, they haven't done that well against Granada. So well, they were very smart what Granada did. Luckily, they got a goal in the first 2 or 3 minutes, and after that, all they did was defended. All their players on the pitch just defended. The strikers and everyone was in their own half defending. Barca kept on attacking over and over again, and there were good chances created, many chances created. 82% possession tha Barca ka. They probably created 8 shots on target. No, not on target, but 8 shots and something like 4 or 3, 4 on target, I guess. But the chances that Barcelona created were a lot. बहुत सारे chances create किए बार्सिलोना ने. But इनफैक्ट अच्छे अच्छे मतलब ऐसे पेनिट्रेशन भी थे डिफेंस के अंदर, बट उनका गोलकीपर भी अच्छा था. हमारा लक भी वैसे थोड़ा खराब था क्योंकि बहुत सारे डिसीजंस जो गलत थे वो ग्रानाडा के फेवर में गए विच वर एक्चुअली रॉन्ग. सो वेल दैट एंड वेल या लक नहीं था बोल सकते हैं. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ बार्सिलोना प्लेयर्स वर मिसिंग. पेड्री नहीं था, जॉर्डी अल्बा खेल नहीं रहा था बिकॉज दे वर इंजर्ड. पीके डिड नॉट स्टार्ट. एंड ऑल्सो डेम्बेले का तो सबको पता है. एग्वेरो, आंसू फाटी वो भी इंजर्ड है. तो आई नो कि बेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ टीम नहीं थी हमारी, बट स्टिल इट्स बार्सिलोना गाइस. आई मीन ओके, आई रिमेंबर दिस वेरी क्लियरली दैट मैं ऐसे टीवी के सामने रुका हूँ. आई एम लाइक अभी ऑलमोस्ट क्या कुछ नहीं होने वाला इनसे. एंड Araujo scores that header, that equalizer. आई लिटरली सेलिब्रेटेड विथ हिम. वो अपनी छाती पीट रहा है, मैं भी अपनी छाती पीट रहा हूँ. वो अपने बैच को किस कर रहा है, मैं भी अपने बैच को किस कर रहा हूँ. आई लाइक इन दैट मोमेंट. बट एज सुन एज द मोमेंट पास्ट आई रियलाइज कि बारसा के स्टैंडर्ड्स कितने गिर गए हैं. I mean, we literally celebrated that equalizers against a team like Granada. No offense to Granada, it's a good team. But the way we celebrated, it felt like, we made that comeback against PSG, Remontada all over again. That was how we celebrated it. And it was shocking because we are Barcelona. Yeah, it's just weird. And a team like Barcelona is never really in transition because a lot of people are saying that, our a team like Barcelona is huge. We people are never in transition. हमारे चाहे सारे youngsters हो, we are still one of the top teams. We are going to compete for every single thing that year, that season. That's how it's supposed to be. But in recent years, something is wrong. Yeah. Well, a few days ago, Barcelona faced Bayern, and I'll tell you what I felt. As soon as the final whistle blew, 3-0, I was satisfied with the victory of Bayern. It's like, ठीक है, मतलब, at least जब the last time we met, uh, they scored 8 goals against us, and we had Messi, Griezmann, and Suarez in our team, and now at least like बस 3 मारे यार, like हाँ चलो ठीक है. But हमारे घर में घुस के they win. Forget about 3-0. They win against us. They scored 3 goals against us. I mean, and we are satisfied कि हाँ भाई बस 3 मारा है. I think a lot of Barca fans will agree with me when I say that this feeling of satisfaction after Bayern's victory makes us feel guilty actually. I mean, after that match, I realized how guilty I felt about feeling like this. This feeling was very wrong. I just, yeah. I mean, I was not expecting Barca to go and win the match or do some, yeah. But still, it's Barcelona and they're football fans. Even if we are playing terrible, we'll still expect our team to win. That's what we do, right? Well, yeah. Now let's talk about Koeman. Well, मुझे पता नहीं मैं क्या बोलूँगा. Like, मुझे seriously, Koeman. See, the entire thing about sacking Koeman began after the Bayern match. थोड़ा थोड़ा ये था पहले, but Bayern मैच के बाद वो बढ़ गया. एंड ग्रानाडा के मैच के बाद तो ऑलमोस्ट मतलब अभी कंफर्म काइंड ऑफ हो गया कि कोमन को जल्दी सैक करेंगे. इनफैक्ट बारसा स्टार्टेड लुकिंग फॉर रिप्लेसमेंट. दैट्स व्हाट द रूमर्स आर. एंड प्रॉब्ली जब तक ये वीडियो बाहर निकलेगी तब तक there's a possibility कि he might be sacked. I don't know really. So well, if you think about it, like just give it a thought, you'll realize that sacking Koeman is not the problem. The problem is hiring a new manager. Because see, Koeman did a lot for us. Like, he took over our club when we were at our worst. Messi chhod ke gaya, all of that, and He came to our club, he did well. अगले season, इस season, he did not really get everything he wanted, but yeah, Messi छोड़ के गया on top of that. And in general, just whatever happened with our club and the thing we were going through, the bad times, he took over. He left his job at Netherlands and he came here for us. He's a legend. Respect to Koeman. Thanks for everything he has done. But if you think about it, sacking Koeman does not completely make sense, and not sacking him also does not make sense really, because it's a really weird state. I'll tell you how. देखो अभी मतलब साइनिंग अ न्यू मैनेजर, सो सबके मुंह पे सबसे पहला नाम होगा ज़ावी हर्नांडेज. आई एग्री. बहुत सारे लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि ज़ावी विल कम, इट विल बी ग्वार्डियोला और ओवर अगेन, history repeated. Agreed, there is a very good possibility of that, but if you ask me personally, I would like him to have another 1 or 2 years experience before he comes to Barcelona, because I don't want him to fail like Lampard did, Pirlo did. Like, no, I want him to succeed at Barcelona. I'm not saying he is going to fail, but क्या मतलब ये हो रहा है कि अगर उसको मतलब थोड़ा टाइम दे दे तो अच्छा ही होगा ना, हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा. सो थिंकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर बेसिकली. सो दैट इफ नॉट ज़ावी देन हु? वेल, एरिक टैन हैग एक नाम है, बट मिड सीजन छोड़ के आएगा, चांसेस बहुत कम है. You also have the Barca B team manager. The Barca B team manager is recently sacked, I guess. Some guy, yeah. So him. So we do have these options, but if you think about it, ये options कितने time के लिए रहेंगे? We all know eventually Xavi आएगा. Well, also Iniesta के बारे में recently rumors started because he said that he would like to manage. He wants to be a manager someday, and he would like to manage maybe Barcelona someday or something like that. But come on guys, उसका अभी भी career end नहीं हुआ, वो बात की बात है. So yeah, let's just keep Iniesta out of this. Now we all know that eventually Xavi is going to take over. So whoever is going to be our manager if Koeman is sacked is going to be a short-term manager. So why do it really? It's still a confusion. I mean, मैं पूरा Koeman sack के side पे भी नहीं हूँ और don't sack Koeman के side भी नहीं हूँ. It's a really confusing state. So well, yeah. बट वेल इफ यू आस्क मी कि अगर कोमन को सैक नहीं करे, ये नहीं करे या उसको सैक करे, तो लेकिन बेसिक सोल्यूशन क्या है अभी के लिए टू सर्वाइव? क्योंकि फ्यूचर का इट्स या लाइक फाइन, बट अभी के लिए सर्वाइव करने के लिए क्या प्लान है? तो आई थिंक उसका सोल्यूशन बेसिकली स्टार्ट्स विद द मेंटालिटी ऑफ द टीम, द क्लब, द फैंस, इन जनरल एवरीवन. I mean, that is something we need to change. Koeman again is a, I mean, really thankful. We are really thankful to him that he took over our club when we were going through so much stuff. But still, if you think about it, his attitude. I have two problems with him. One is his attitude, and the second problem is his man management. His attitude. I mean, पहले तो उसका man management बहुत खराब है. And when you talk about his attitude, I mean, I understand that it's good to be practical and it's good to talk about what's going on with the team and generally the truth. I get it. But you cannot really go and say, like after the Bayern match in the press conference, he was like, this is the best we can do. I mean, like, you're Barcelona. You're not supposed to say that. I get it. Practically, this is the best we can do. But saying that is going to demotivate the team, you're literally like forming a grudge against the fans. I mean, why would you say something like that? I know being practical is good again, but this is just demotivating. Yeah. So this is one problem I have with Koeman. ये जो ये करता है, I don't like this. Yeah. You're a manager. You have to be the one motivating the team all the time. उनमें वो mentality लाने पड़ेगी कि maybe the opponents are stronger, but we are still going to do our best. Even if we don't win, we are going to give our best. Maybe that's when there's a chance that we might win. So this is one of the problems with Koeman again. Now, basically, if you think about it, ये जो अभी बारसा जिस स्टेट में है, it's like years in making. I mean, जो भी बार्सिलोना के साथ बुरा हो रहा है पिछले like since Barcelona last won the treble under Luis Enrique, उसके बाद से वो decline start हुआ है. Of course, like it's not like Barca were terrible after that. They did play well in the domestic league and La Liga and the other competitions, but UCL में generally they did not perform that well. But still, they were good. But वो decline दिख रहा था. And eventually it's like we have hit the rock bottom का rock bottom ना. I mean, we are like लगता है कि इससे बुरा क्या होगा, लेकिन उससे भी बुरा कुछ हो सकता है ऐसा. That's what Barcelona fans are going through. The club is going through. So, but you know what? If you think about it, I don't really blame anyone from the recent times. The club members, the president, the board. the team. I think I'd again blame Bortimo. उस इंसान की वजह से ये हो रहा है अभी जो भी हो रहा है वो. That guy is the reason. उसके financial mismanagement की वजह से. Like नेमार को बेचा 220 मिलियन बस उड़ा दो. फ्यूचर का कोई प्लानिंग ही नहीं किया. अगर वो सिस्टमैटिकली वो पैसा यूज करते थे, बार्सिलोना वुड स्टिल हैव बीन अ टॉप क्लब. एंड आई मीन दे आर अ टॉप क्लब, बट वुड हैव competed like a top club. उन्होंने क्या किया, जो पैसे है बस उड़ाते गए वो. हाँ ये प्लेयर कुटिनो, चलो इसको 120 दे देते हैं. वहाँ पे डेम्बेले आ रहा है, इसको चलो कुछ 140 और समथिंग लाइक दैट दे देते हैं. दैट वाज रॉन्ग. दैट वाज रॉन्ग. इफ यू आर अ क्लब, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू हैव टू प्लान लाइक 5-10 years फ्यूचर का. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, ओके, अंसु फाटी is in our team right now. We want him to stay for as long as possible, right? We want him to stay because yeah, he's a really good player, but we also have to be prepared with our backups. Like we should also consider the what if he someday wants to leave early maybe for some reason. What if he does not turn out to be as good as we expected him to be now? So what then? Replacement kya hai? We need backups ke backups, you know. That's how you run a club. I don't know, it's just the mismanagement that Bortema and his board did that we are suffering through all this now. But well, it's Barcelona again. Uh, I just hope they do well. I want them to go on top again. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ऑफ कोर्स, फाइनेंशियल ये वो अगले सीजन का बाद में देख लेंगे. बट फॉर नाउ आई थिंक आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर इफ दे शुड सैक कोमन, नॉट सैक कोमन. इट्स अ लिटिल कंफ्यूजिंग स्टेट. But all I know is I want Barcelona to go on top again. It might take a while. I'm gonna support my team through all this. Yeah, but yeah, I just hope they go back on top again.